Hey, welcome back, guys. My name is Edith Rojas. If you don't know me, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. So in this video is going to be all about the Kenzzi IPL device. It works like a laser hair removal. So I'm super excited. I've been seeing it on Facebook and hearing about it, and I'm finally going to get to try it with you guys for the first time. So I'm super excited about that. And here it is, my Kenzzi. Whoop, whoop. It came in the mail finally. I'm so excited to try it and tell you what I think about it. So this will be my personal opinion about it. And here it is. We're going to unbox it. Open it up. It feels like Christmas. Woo-hoo. Super. Well, this is my gift to myself for Mother's Day. It is around, I think the price was $229, and I have a code for you guys. You can save $50. It'll be in the description box. It cost me, after the $50 discount, it was $179, roughly around there. So here it is. Woo, woo. And why did I decide to buy this? Why do I want to try this? So, I've done laser hair removal in the past. I like it. I like laser hair removal, but it's super expensive, and I just feel like the hair just doesn't completely go away. It reduces the amount of hairs, and they come out finer when you do the laser hair removal. However, it doesn't completely remove all of your hairs, and I've been doing it for a couple years now, the professional laser hair removal at a med spa. So I decided to try this. I hate hair, like body hair, so I shave a lot, and so I called the med spa and to try to get a quote for my legs and other areas of my body, and it's super expensive. It's like $10,000. Like, no way. There's got to be something else. And I remembered seeing this Kenzzi on Facebook and other places, people talking about it. So I decided to give it a try and got it, and I ordered it. It's expensive. It is. But if you're considering having laser hair removal at a professional med spa, this is way cheaper. This will be like one session of your laser hair removal at a professional med spa. And the med spa, those sessions, I got it unlimited for a year and a half for my treatment areas. But you have to wait 6 to 8 weeks before you go on to have another treatment. And if you did the per session, each session would be like, I don't know, like $250. So it's definitely worth a try. I think so. I'm going to try it, and I'm super excited. Yay! Because I don't want to shave. I want to stop shaving as much as I shave now. I just don't like body hair, and so I'm so excited. I'm going to be recording more videos throughout my experience with this Kenzzi. So like an updated video every so many weeks, so you guys can know how it's working on me. And I just think it might be different for you guys, but I'll give you an update. Let's get it open. IPL handset, power supply, and a user guide included in here. And on the back it says, do not use on your skin if your skin type is indicated as unsuitable. And it's pretty much, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's pretty much good for any skin color. It's going to work for most people, as you guys can see. I did get an email saying there was a delay in my delivery due to the situation we're in right now. However, it wasn't that long. I think it was like a week or so for delivery, so it wasn't bad. Let's open this box up and I'll show you guys what the hype is all about. Okay, so here's a little manual. Machine IPL device is in a little bag, so you guys can see, and I'll take it out. Here it is. Look at that button. It's gold. I love it. So I'm assuming that's where you press, and that's the IPL light or laser part that goes on your skin. Okay, what else is in this box? And then there's our power cord. It comes in a little bag as well. A little plastic. Here it is. So it is electric. I love that it's electricity, so it doesn't run out of batteries when you're doing your sessions at home. And it claims that you should start seeing results around the 12th week, and you can do it once a week, every week, which is nice because for, like I said, with the professional sessions, you had to wait 6 to 8 weeks before you went to your next session. So this is nice that it's powered by electricity. And well, let me tell you guys, right now we're in quarantine, so we have a lot of time in our hands. So so I can do it. I'm excited. I can do it while I'm watching Netflix. I'm looking forward to it and getting rid of all this hair, so I'm hoping it works. Like I said, I shave a lot. I don't like body hair, so this hopefully will take away that shaving, and I shave my legs, you know, my armpits, I want to do it all, my whole body if I can. So I'll give you guys an updated video letting you know how long it took me to do my different body parts and what I thought about it. So I will show you guys my first impression, trying it on for the first time with you guys. So yay! Let's get this plugged in. Now that I plugged it in, let's see what this is all about. And there's the green light. Can you guys see? There it is. Alright, so let's see. I'm going to have to read this manual on how you use this. Kenzzi Quick Start Guide. So preparation for use. Shave any visible hair before you use. I'm going to try it on my arm. Let's set it down for now. So I'm going to roll up my sleeve, and I'm going to try it on my arm. I do shave. For some reason, I don't shave my arms as often as I do my legs. This one takes longer to grow out, but I will try. I will try it on my arms, and for today, I'll let you know how it feels in terms of pain and what level. And I'll give you guys an update on my legs too, so you know, because that's one area that I shave often. So ensure your skin is completely clean and dry. No creams or oils should be in contact with your Kenzzi handset. So my arm is clean. I took a shower. I didn't put any lotion on it. So we should be good. Alright. So getting started. Plug in your Kenzzi handset and press the green power button on the back of the handset in order to turn it on. So that light that was flashing, we're going to turn that on. That's the power on button. There we go. I can hear a little vibration sound. It's not really vibrating, but hear a little sound coming on. Do you guys see that? And there's a blue and pink light. Looks pink. So the green power button is also used to switch the intensity level of your Kenzzi by pressing it. So that button on the back, the green button here, so we're going to press it if we want to move up levels, and it's 5 different levels. The first one, I'm assuming the first one's a 1, and we're gonna keep clicking on it until we get to 5 to see how much pain it is. The professional laser hair removal, if you've done it before, or if you're thinking about doing that, it is painful. I don't have a lot of tolerance for pain, and it is, I would say it's painful. It's bearable, and I don't get out of there crying, not that bad, but from like 0 to 10, I would say it's like a 7. A professional laser session. Smells like burnt hair, and it burns. But let's see how this feels. Let's keep reading our manual, our quick start guide. So the blue lights on the front of your Kenzzi indicate the intensity level 1 for low through 5 for high. So 5 would be the highest. To achieve the best results, it is recommended that you use your Kenzzi on intensity level 5. So it is recommended to use 5. It all depends on how much pain you can tolerate. So I would suggest that you start with 1, move on to 2, then 3, and so on. Okay. However, test your handset on a lower level before starting your treatment so you can get used to the feeling of IPL, like I said. So the Kenzzi light window will flash pink when it is pressed directly against your skin. If the Kenzzi is not in direct contact with your skin, the light will not illuminate and the Kenzzi will not flash. This is because the handset has a safety sensor and will not activate unless pressed directly against the skin. So you would have to, probably better if I do it on this arm. So I'm going to clean as well. No lotions. I took a shower and I didn't apply any lotion. So I guess we could start. Where do we start? Okay, we're going to start here, up at the top. And, oh, that was warm. It wasn't hot. Okay, I can do this. I'm not nervous, guys. I can do this. Let's try it again. Okay, it's warm. Not hot. It's bearable. See the light, the pink light is flashing. I don't know if you can see it. And then there's blue light. This will tell you what level you're on. So 1 blue light means level 1. And then if you click on it again, it'll be 2 blue circle lights. So that'll tell you what level you're on. So I'm going to try it on with you guys. I'm going to try it on this arm now. Like I said, I did shave my arm. I don't have to shave as often as I do my legs. My hair is not as coarse as my leg hair is. But I will try it on my arm for now, for first impression. It has to be pressed against the skin. And you press this button right here. So, and you can do up to 3 times over the same area. Let's see. Can you guys see that light? It's bearable. It doesn't hurt. It's not making me cry yet. We'll see. So we're going to turn up the level because that I don't feel anything happening there. I'll show you what level you're on, and it has 2 blue lights. The pink light and 2 blue lights. So we're going to try level 2. Okay, it's a little warmer, but it's still, I don't feel like nothing's happening there. Okay, so if you're not pressing against the skin, the light won't turn on. It's not going to work. So, you guys see that? Okay, I'm going to turn it up. So let's do level 3. So there's 3 blue lights there and the pink lights. This quick start guide recommends you use level 5 for best results. So let's turn it up. Let's do 4. So level 4, 4 blue lights here. Let's try back of my arm. Okay. I'm actually starting to feel, it's starting to feel more like the med spa sessions, professional laser hair removal sessions. It's definitely getting warmer. Okay. In my experience at my laser hair removal experience at the professional level, the med spa, it smells like burnt hair, and it burns. It burns more. It burns more in areas where you have more coarse hair, darker, coarse, thicker hair. So I'm sure this is going to be the same. Let's turn it up to 5. So now it's all lit up. 5 blue lights and a pink light. Now we're going to actually try this. I'm scared. No, I'm not. Let's do this. Let's try it. Okay. Let's try it right here. Here we go. Ah! No, it doesn't hurt. Okay. It's definitely hotter. But I feel like this would give me results. This feels more like the professional sessions. And it kind of smells like burnt hair. So, yes, I'm definitely using it on level 5. And I'm doing this every week. I'm so excited. Hey, let's see. Say bye to body hair. Woo. Bye-bye. I hope this works. I don't want to shave anymore. I shave. I don't like body hair. For all means, if you guys like body hair, then leave it on there, girl. I do not like it, so I'm going to do all my body. Every single place I can. Except my eyebrows, of course. The level 1 through 4, I didn't feel much. It was just warm. So I don't know if it'll work on those levels. You guys can start out on level 1 and move up and see what your tolerance is, because we are all different. You know, we all have different types of hair. So, yeah, I can definitely smell the burnt hair. Keep you guys posted. I'm going to do an updated video. Alright, so that was it. I'm going to turn this off. And you have to hold down this back button where you power it on, where you turn it on. You have to hold it. So that was my first impression, my unboxing of my Kenzzi video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a like, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos, and I will be uploading new videos every Sunday night for you guys, so please look out for those. Overall, I like it. I'm excited. I'm going to use it on level 5 all over my body. Make sure I get rid of any unwanted hair. Of course, in areas where I have hair. And so I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you so much again for watching. You guys take care. Bye until next video.